One of my very favorite, very easy dinners at home is homemade pizza. And you just need a few things, and you can do it too. First things first, a pizza stone. I just found this one on Amazon, but you need it because you're going to preheat it in your oven for at least a half an hour, and that's how you're going to get your crispy crust. You need a pizza peel, put your parchment paper on it, spread out the pizza dough that you can get raw, all kinds of places. You need pizza sauce. I love Mozzetta. They make great Italian products. And if you like pepperoni, like I like pepperoni, Hormel is delicious. Add fresh vegetables if you like, and don't forget your fresh mozzarella. You need to shred it right on top of that pizza. Into the oven, 10, 12 minutes, and you've got dinner.